restaurant offers both indoor and al fresco seating with a beautiful view of the sea, and Amber Kitchen welcomes guests throughout the day with its Thai and international menu. To cap it all off, sit back to wind and cocktails at the beachfront pool bar. Find out all about Hue Hin Marriott Resort and Spa at worldwideweb.huehinmarriott.com. Email bookhuehin@marriott.com or call 032-904-666.
Radio Thailand News broadcast from the Public Relations Department of the Royal Thai Government on AM 918, FM 88, FM 95.5 and FM 107. For advertising inquiries, please email us at radiothailand@outlook.com. Global News.
Welcome back to the Morning News Hour here on Radio Thailand. The time is 7:13 a.m. Here are our global stories. Japan's top government spokesman has left the door open to a possible summit between Prime Minister Shinzo Abe and North Korean leader Kim Jong-un to discuss the matter of Japanese citizens kidnapped by Pyongyang's agents decades ago. Abe, who has made the abductees issue a keystone of his political career, will meet U.S. President Donald Trump next month in Washington ahead of a proposed summit between the U.S. leader and Pyongyang's Kim, which would follow a planned April meeting between Kim and South Korean President Moon Jae-in. Concerns have surfaced in Tokyo that Japan's interests, including the abductees' fate, may be sidelined by recent moves to resolve the crisis over North Korea's nuclear and missile programs. Chief Cabinet Secretary Yoshihide Suga told a regular news conference that it is important to harmonize policies closely among Japan, the United States, and South Korea ahead of the North-South Summit and the U.S.-North Korea Summit.
That concludes our program in English. For listeners in Europe,